Hey guys, this week is a little bit different. It's all about practice. So last week we looked at geometric elements and figures, those basic fundamental building blocks, and we want to make sure that we're confident and that you are successful in labeling and identifying so that moving forward, we don't struggle with that concept. So this week again is all about practice. So you're going to have a couple different activities. And because geometry can kind of be difficult online, I'm still learning the best way to do it. I thought it might be best to show you a video of your first assignment and kind of walk you through what I was expecting. So again, the very first thing that you're going to see on your assignment here is a nice little organizer that you can use when you're completing your work that quickly goes over again those elements here on the left, gives you the description, shows you the picture of the figure, and then the last column there reminds you how we identify them and labeling them using symbols. So the portion I'm looking for you to complete is on the next page. And what I would like you to do is label the geometric figures. So coming down, you'll see all these geometric figures, and you're going to type in the yellow column. Now this first figure I'll do with you. So if we look at this figure right here, hopefully you acknowledge that it is a ray. We have point A out to B. And remember, when we're labeling rays, we start with the kind of quote the sunshine and move out towards the ray. So again, we use capital letters. So AB would be my letter portion of that label. Now I also need a symbol above it. So this is where this symbol box comes into play. You're going to simply click and drag it over your letters. So for the first task, I want you just to go through and label all of these geometric figures. Good luck.